Since their inception in 1987, the popularity of the GIFs has skyrocketed, morphing from a niche image format into a staple of digital expression. Now, they're not just for social media. Infusing presentation with GIFs has become a prevalent trend, making them more vibrant and engaging. But if you would like to stop a GIF's animation from looping, you can also do that, and we will show exactly how to do so. Now, with your open PowerPoint presentation on your computer, to pause a GIF, you can press the number 1 key. You can press the number 1 key on your keyboard. Then to resume it without a slide jump, you can click on this key. You might also use the shortcut keys like the S or the plus sign on your keyboard, as this might show us pause options, but you have to take note that they don't always work as expected. But if you want to disable it at once, you should select the object, navigate to the Animations tab, and open the Animations gallery, then select None to sever the ties between the object and the animation whims. Now, these methods ensure that your presentation sticks strictly to the content, perfect for formal or serious settings, where you need attendees to focus solely on the message imparted, undisturbed by visual flair. So that's how easy you can stop a GIF's animation from looping in your PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.